Alright, so this is called the artificial for bluegill. We normally use like wax worms, stuff like that, but we're using these little itty bitty grubs. But the thing where you lost. What you doing up there, Dad? Just chilling?
No, he's fixing it. That's scaring me, that noise.
That thing's just... Oopsies. Oopsies. Cord got in the water. I think I'm gonna have to go out. I think I'm gonna have to go outside for a second here. Got him. Got him. That's a big old crappie. That's a big old crappie. Oh, this reel is junk. Can you lip a crappie?
Can you hold him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Without the...
Can you lip him?
Yeah.
All right. Shit, we're gonna hook him without it though.
So, Jack caught a crappie, I guess.
Heck yeah.
Or whatever it's called.
Nice sauce crappie right here, Dad.
Okay, so, that's a very
Dad.
gold
Dad.
crappie.
Dad.
Black crappie.
Yep, black crappie.
Well,
Do you want to keep him?
No, not now.
Well, if I catch another one, because I saw
I
saw a few. Yeah, because my hands are nice and slimy now. I saw a few over here, actually. I was on my way outside. Hey, Goose, it's 2-0.
It's starting to rain.
That's all right. That's not all right. That's funny. Okay, I guess we're standing here for a little bit because we got metal rods.
Yup, and it just...
Ha, just kidding, mine's plastic.
And I just, like, freaked out and started running. With flip-flops on, great.
Yep.
That's